Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today, I went to Tuesday morning. Now, Tuesday morning did not have a lot of stuff. The girls come in at 10:30. The manager comes in at 10 because that's when your truck comes. The girls come in at 10:30, so they start putting stuff out at 10:30. They open at 11, and I walked in at 11:30, and there was nothing. And the girl said I was the first one in today. So what they did have was some graphic 45. Now, they had the packs, with the 25 sheets of identical paper. They also had the collection pack, and it is $4.99, 217-8431. And, of course, on the back of the front, it's got the template stuff. So let's see what they've actually got. So the first thing we've got here, 2 sheets of each. So, stay. So we got 2 sheets of this. Kind of a very busy sheet. On the back of that is kind of like, looks like pages out of the book. Then you have these flowers. On the back of that is this blue kind of vintage looking paper. And then you have this, which is kind of the same thing as the front. Very busy. And the back of that is some flowers. Then you've got the cut-aparts and the strips down at the bottom with black cameos. Then you have this green one here. Kind of has their names and stuff on it. It has this pretty yellow print on the back. And then you have this beautiful stripe with this black flower on the back. And then you have the orange-red print. This is the burgundy print. Kind of the same thing as the other one. It has the same kind of burgundy color on the back here, the rust color. Then you've got what look like page pieces and this green on the back. And then, of course, the obligatory set of stickers that nobody ever uses much of. So that was one buy for $4.99, which is actually a good price for a graphic 45 pack. Considering most of their packs that they carry there tend to run about $6.99. So $4.99 for a graphic 45 is a really good deal. I don't know that I'll use this pack. I will probably put it straight into the store. Simply because, well, it's not really my cup of tea, so to speak. So let me get this put away real quick. There we go. Close that up. Then they had a Cane Company pad. This one is Susan Wingett. 28 sheets on this one. Now, if you know me, you know I haul this quite a bit, this particular Cane Company line, because I just love the paper in this thing. So let's take a look. So this one is $6.99, 217-8786. These are double-sided cardstock. Never thrilled over the backs, but I love the fronts. It's like a watercolor, flowers. That one's got some nice flowers, some paisley. This one actually has a nice back to it. Let's see. Then you have these poppies. Some more flowers. This one's nice in the back, much nicer than the front. Then you've got this flower here. Now this one has a little shimmering to it. This one has a lot of shimmering. A little bit of shimmering on this one here. It's like a basket of flowers. Then you've got some butterfly flowers here. This one's glossy. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, you can in the reflection of the light. That's gloss. This one's got sparkles. Very cute. So I got that. And then I got this Um, this is Fall and Halloween, 180 sheets in here. This DCWV. Now, this is not normally something that I would get, simply because, well, there's photos in here, and I don't really like photo paper, but Halloween is coming up, and I used most of my Halloween paper last year, so I had to get something new. So I figured this will keep me from buying individual sheets. $9.99, 210-2534. It is paper, not cardstock. It is single-sided. Let's start at the back, shall we? So the first one we have is like some fall leaves. Then we have this kind of basic print, this yellow honeycomb looking thing, some pumpkins, some little orange flowers, some ghosts, some skeletons, this wood print out in the woods, some leaves, a sweater, some rather large cut-aparts, a pumpkin, this kind of Halloween house-looking thing, some yellow leaves, some stripes, some regular fall foliage, these vats and lines, kind of looks like a sweater, this purple leaf, this plaid, candy, spiderweb, skull heads, some foliage, some bats, some stars, candy, dots, pumpkin, some foliage. This blue thing, I have no idea what this has to do with fall or Halloween, but hey, it's here. This kind of purple piece, there's the castle. We have this in another pad, just on the other side. These are tiny little skulls. Some stripes, a pumpkin, happy Halloween, jack-o'-lantern, boo, carving, pumpkins, watching these purple dots. This checker thing here, some wood, some more skulls and crossbones, some more leaves, some more polka dots, lots of polka dots, some more orange paper with little black skulls on it, some cut-aparts, some leaves, more skulls, some more cut-aparts, some more leaves. This pad's really horrible, guys. This little Happy Halloween school bus. Some more leaves. Look at the little ghosts here. They got moons and little pumpkins in the middle. Some candy corn. This brown page that says Autumn Blessings on it. This orange page with a moon and cloud at the top. This zigzag thing. And some tombstones. This pen sucks. Probably going to be taking this one back. $10. I mean, for $10, I could probably get half as much paper, but at least I'd be able to use it all. This I can't use. But, you know, that's what happens when you buy a pad that you can't see because they put these tape things on the sides of them. But, yeah, I'll probably be taking this one back because it does not excite me at all. There's probably 5 pages in here that I would use. If that. So I'm probably going to take this one back. I didn't even see that page in there. Look, I calls them like I sees them. Yeah, so this is probably going to go back. Not thrilled over it. Well, there were a few other things, and I got those on video, so hope you enjoy. Okay, so we do have some new things. We Are Memory Keepers. Probably this is the new one. It's the Evolution Stamp Die and Embossing Party Kit for $24.99. It includes the machine, precision press, base plate, embossing plate, cutting plate, 4 layered stamps, 2 die and embossing folders, 1 embossing folder, 15 acrylic stamps, 5 die shapes, 25 sheets of paper, and 25 sheets of cream colored paper. Number on that is 215-2259. Then there's the washi dispenser down here. Looks like a bowl. 8 large and 8 small, so it takes 16 tapes. 2174736. Okay, so we got some new Bo Bunny and some old Boo Bunny. That one's not too bad. Let's take a look. Nah. I'm going to go with no. Alright, let's see. This one's new. It's called Flourish. 2174859. And then Postal. 2174861. And there's some Spellbinders dies. We've had these before. They're not new. Lots of embossing folders. Some more Spellbinder Stampin' dies. But, yeah, these are all the same ones we've always had. Prismacolors, these are new. 629, number on those is 2180393. We got these Tempera paint sticks from King Art for $3.99, 2169926. And the mixed media gel sticks, ooh, for $6.99, 2169645. What should we try this week, guys? Aqua Blend, $11.99. These are watercolor pencils, 2162352. Okay, so that's what they have. Let's go look at the clearance. All right, what do we got? They have the Texture Boutique, Sizzix Texture Boutique, $19.99. Now, this is not a die cutter. This only does embossing. But $19.99 and it's 20% off, so, you know, $15.99 for it. Number on that is 1978547. They have the planner punch board, $11.99. 20% off on that one. Takes you down to $9.59. And there's a couple of paper packs. Nothing spectacular. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video portion. Until I see you again, do me a favor. Down at the bottom, hit the subscribe button. Like, share, ring my bell. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.